In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this Samsung. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose General Management. Following that, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. And as you can see, some smart typing options are available over here. In order to manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Or just tap on it and tap on the switcher in it. You can also scroll down just a bit, tap on more typing options, and manage all of them the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!